Hi and welcome back. In this module, we cover Pinterest, your virtual pins and board. This awesome application defines itself as the world's catalog of ideas. Pinterest offers users the chance to own an online bulletin board on their own. Users can keep almost anything they find on the internet and pin it on their boards. Blog posts, videos, ads, and news, anything with active permalinks, are shareable using Pinterest. Many users are inspired by Pinterest, and this includes online businesses. In fact, almost 50% of U.S. online shoppers have made purchases recommended by Pinterest. Pinterest has also proven its capability to attract customers to various online businesses, thus increasing sales. Let's have a look at this image. This is Pinterest, the new social network kid who just moved into the social network block. This interface may be unfamiliar to some of you, but did you know Pinterest grabs more than 1,000 viewers in a minute? Pinterest was only launched in 2010, and within 5 years, it managed to get more than 15 million viewers and an increase of over 145% of users since 2012. According to studies, 2 years after its launch, Pinterest was dubbed the new leading referral traffic generator at an increase of 3.6%. Twitter is barely edging over 0.1% towards the newcomer within the same year. Their mobile application itself has been downloaded up to 100 million users in 2017. Most giants out there like National Geographic, Amazon.com, and even Nike Women have already signed up for Pinterest.